So I'm opening the box. Has like a clear thing on top of it, so the stuff wouldn't come out. And it comes with a bowl, some containers,
and it also comes with a lot of colors. It comes with blue, orange, purple, and green.
Yes. And these are the where you put the water in.
And this is where like you could like save the slime if you don't want it like to dry up.
This is purple. So this is pink. This is supposed to be grape scented, and this is strawberry scented. The slimes are scented also. So like I think it's like slime. It's like lime scent for the green ones. And the purple ones are, put them in the bowl so they wouldn't fly away. And then the purple one, I think is grape, and the blue one is blueberry. So we're gonna get one color each. Let's put away these two. She's gonna open it and she's gonna pour the water into the line, and then she's gonna pour it once in here, and then she's going to pour in one of the packets, and then she's gonna mix it well until it absorbs the water. And then you wait for 10 minutes.
Okay guys, so I have the line.
So you have to pour the whole thing in. And then now she's gonna pick any packet that she wants to pour in. Then make sure you shake it. Like make sure you do this. So like take it down, and then you can open it.
So I choose purple first. Now let's pour it in.
Now you have to mix right away because it will absorb it really fast and it wouldn't really work. And you have to make sure the slime will absorb it, and then you're gonna have to wait for 10 minutes. So then we'll be back in 10 minutes. So while my sister Natalie's slime is sitting, I'll be doing mine. She'll be helping me while she's waiting for her slime to set. Thank you. I'm opening the thing, and this color is orange. I chose it because it's my favorite color and I like orange. Yeah, I forgot the water. I forgot about the water. So I'm gonna pour in the water. Okay guys, so now I'm done mixing. I'm going to let mine sit for 10 minutes and we're gonna check on my sister's Natalie's. It's been about 20 minutes, so I guess both of our slimes are done. So let's check my sister's Natalie's first. So let's take a spoon and like scoop it out. So she's gonna try it out to see if it works. And if it doesn't, then it's a fail. Which it can be. Now you can grab it by your hands.
We worked so hard so it candy fell.
So now you just put it in the container for a couple minutes or seconds.
How would this fit in here?
Just put it in and like you try to close it. Yeah, it's sticky. It will have a lot of water in it first, but like if you put it inside its container for a little bit, it will like bunch up together and become not that sticky.
curves. Yeah.
So now, got it out.
Now hers has to work. It came out literally like right away. Comment down below
to let us know
which one you like better. Mine is, remember guys, mine is purple
And mine is orange. It's been 10 minutes already, so we're gonna start taking out our slimes to see how they went. So she's gonna take it out, and we're gonna see how
take it out. Wow, this is.
You can take it out if it's hard with a spoon. Yeah, it's sometimes hard with a spoon because it's tiny. Use your fingers. While she's doing that, I'll do mine's. And then
guys, this is very fun to play with.
Yes.
Comment down below also which one you like. Remember
Yeah.
guys, again, mine is blue, hers is green.
It's really sticky and wet.
We're right with that. We'll have to this is so gooey.
There you go. You're welcome.
Now it does. Especially guys, it's very hard to make slime. And careful, if you put it back, it could get like stuck to the bone.
Okay guys, we're done our slime. So now we're gonna take them out of the little containers and we're gonna dump them in the glitter to see what happens.
subscribe.
And comment down below to let us know which color is your favorite.
And give us a big